With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. It's compact and perfectly portable. But when the device opens up, your world does too. With a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet. Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue. Send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go. 3-app multitasking. Yeah. Thank you. When you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory. How did we build a battery into a phone that folds right down the middle? Well, the answer is we built 2 of them, one on each side of the device. It's actually a system of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front.
I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
You never know when you might need to Google something. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. You can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th.
Ladies and gentlemen, please say hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus.
We're introducing the world's first Infinity O display on AMOLED. Embedded directly beneath the screen is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Simply press your finger against the screen where it naturally rests. The scanner then emits ultrasonic waves that map the unique pattern of your fingerprint. All of this happens in the blink of an eye, and it even works in the most challenging conditions. The S10 comes in a variety of stunning new prismatic hues. Or you can choose one of 2 premium ceramic finishes, ceramic white and ceramic black. With the S10, we're introducing a camera that lets you capture memories like a pro with a single device. And that's all thanks to our brand new next-generation triple rear camera system. So you have the wide-angle camera. With a 77-degree field of view, you can take amazing crystal-clear photos day or night. And when you need to zoom in, the telephoto camera's optical zoom gets you twice as close. And with the S10's brand new ultra-wide camera, with new effects that let you change the lighting and the background blur. With the S10 Plus, you get 2 front cameras that work together to capture depth of field, meaning you can take beautiful live focus selfies just like these. And that's why we made sure that the S10's front camera supports UHD video.
You can get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of base storage. And if that's not enough, it also comes with our standard micro SD slot. So you can expand your memory up to 1.5 terabytes. The S10 Plus is equipped with an all-day battery. Lasts up to 25% longer than the previous model. That's why we built the same technology we use in our wireless chargers right into the S10, transforming your device into a wireless charging pad. You just place a watch, earbuds, or even a friend's smartphone onto the back of the S10 and watch the battery fill up. We're pleased to announce that the S10 is the first ever mobile device compatible with Wi-Fi 6. And we've designed 3 different models so you can choose which version is right for you. So mark your calendars because it's right around the corner. And you'll be happy to know the S10 comes in brand new eco-friendly packaging. The S10 5G is as sleek and stunning as ever. S10 5G comes with a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, as well as a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. That's the biggest screen and the biggest battery ever on a Galaxy S device. We outfitted S10 5G with a cutting-edge camera system that includes a powerful new 3D depth sensing camera.
Galaxy Buds are so cool, and there are so many different ways you can use them. We built them with adaptive dual microphones. We created a high-efficiency chipset for the Galaxy Buds, so you can take up to 5 hours of calls or stream up to 6 hours of music on a single charge. The Galaxy Buds come enabled with Bixby, so you can control them with your voice. This case supports wireless charging for the very first time. And of course, that means you can charge it using wireless power share with your S10. They look just as good as they sound, and they'll be available starting March 8th. These new wearables are designed to enhance every aspect of your life. Galaxy Watch Active is also 5 ATM water resistant, so you can wear it while you're swimming. The Galaxy Watch Active is the full smartwatch experience. But if you want a wearable dedicated just to fitness, like checking your heart rate or counting your steps, then the Galaxy Fit might be the right fit for you. It's about as light as a single strawberry. And with a long-lasting battery, you can keep it going for about a week on a single charge. With sleep tracking, the Galaxy Watch Active and the Galaxy Fit can analyze the different stages of sleep, including REM and deep sleep. Whether you want a premium smartwatch or a straightforward fitness band, there's a next-generation wearable that's perfect for you. If you're looking for a new tablet, you can pick up the Tab S5e, our thinnest and lightest yet.
Thank you. Thank you.